Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll have Monday.com talking to Microsoft Teams, so updates from your board can flow right into your workspace. You'll need access to a Monday.com account and a Microsoft Teams account from your organization. Start on your Monday.com homepage. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in so you land on your main workspace. From here, open the board you want to connect. In this walkthrough, I'm using a board called Sample Project, but you can pick whichever board you'd like to integrate. Opening the board first is important because integrations are configured per board. At the top of your board, find the Integrate option. Depending on your layout, it may appear as Integrations with a puzzle icon. Click that to open the Integration Center for this specific board. This is where you'll add apps and automation recipes that connect Monday.com to other tools. In the Integration Center, use the search bar and type Microsoft Teams. This narrows the gallery to the Microsoft Teams app and its available recipes. Click Microsoft Teams to open the app page. Here, you'll see several ready-made options that send board activity into Teams or vice versa, so you don't have to build anything from scratch. Look through the available samples to find one that matches how you want information to flow. For example, you might choose a sample that posts a message to a channel when an item changes status. The exact choice is up to you and your team's workflow. The key is selecting a sample that reflects the update you want to see in Teams. Once you've identified the sample you want, click it to proceed. You'll be prompted to connect Monday.com to Microsoft Teams. Click Connect to start that process. This creates a secure link between the two services so they can share information on your behalf. You'll now be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account. Use your work or school account associated with Teams. If your organization requires it, you may see a permission screen. Review what's requested and approve to continue. If you manage multiple tenants or accounts, make sure you pick the correct one tied to your team's environment. After you finish signing in, the connection completes and you're ready to use the integration on this board. If you ever get a login prompt again, it usually means your session expired, just sign back in. And if you don't see Microsoft Teams in the search results, check with your admin to ensure the app is allowed. That's it. Your Monday.com board is now integrated with Microsoft Teams.